Well, ANC President General Chief Albert Luthuli's death was not an accident. This is the case made by the National Prosecuting Authority to the High Court in Pietermaritzburg today. Judge Nompumelelo Radebe reopened the inquest into Luthuli's 1967 death. A separate courtroom postponed the inquest into the murder of anti-apartheid activist and lawyer Griffiths Mxenge to June. This after former police officers implicated requested legal representation. Newzroom Afrika's Qaanitah has more.
57 years after Chief Albert Luthuli died, the real cause of his death is under inquiry. The High Court in Pietermaritzburg heard that the apartheid state was responsible for his death and that an inquest held at the time was a mere cover-up. The police officer who investigated the matter since 2019 says he found discrepancies between Luthuli's injuries and the conclusion of the 1967 inquest.
That's correct, my lady. From the post-mortem report that we received, it is Exhibit C. Most of the injuries were the head injuries. So it was not consistent with a person who can be struck by a train. That's why we are looking for an expert regarding the simulation to check the possibilities of the injuries together with the accident.
The Luthuli family says this inquest will bring much needed closure.
We are quite confident that the NPA has laid a very sound and solid case for the inquest to be reopened, and Judge Radebe has indeed reopened the case. And as has been indicated, there are different categories of witnesses that will lead evidence: those from the family, those representing his family life, expert witnesses that reconstruct the accident scene, medical legal experts that will be presented, and a few others. So through all of that, when piecing it together, we do hope that the conclusion will be none other than the fact that this was an orchestrated murder of our father and grandfather.
The NPA insists that Luthuli's death saw the collusion between apartheid security police, district surgeons, pathologists, prosecutors and magistrates. They believe this court will reach a different conclusion on how he died. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Qaanitah in Pietermaritzburg.